Hello and good evening, everyone. This is me again, and tonight I will talk about a new stock on my strong buy list. The stock is BLPH. It's a Bellerophon therapeutic company, and this company is under the sector of healthcare and the industry biotechnology and drugs. The stock closed on Friday around $2.24 on the regular hour and dropped down to $2.22 at the after hour trade. Actually, this stock's trading on Nasdaq market, and the market capitalization for this stock is around 123 million. And the outstanding shares, which is it's very important to know this number, the outstanding shares. Maybe I didn't talk about that on the other video I released yesterday and the day before. The outstanding shares, it's very important number. You can understand a part of the way that the stock is gonna move on the volume, like when very big volume coming to the stocks. If the outstanding shares is less than between like less than 100 million and the market capitalization is less than 150 million, that means there's a very good space of moving for this stock to trend and go to a high price, or what we can say the highest price within 12 months. So the market capitalization and the outstanding shares for this stock is good, and it's on the positive number. Uh, if we make a look at the last 5 days trading, you can find like the stock trade between $2 and $2.27. So the stock trading on between the on the $2 area. And if you look more, let us look more at the 1 year, actually, at the 1 year chart, so we can figure out what's going on with this stock. We're gonna find the stock trading under $1 actually just a year ago from now was on the under dollar area, and then the stock start to move up, start to build his own way to cross the $1 and reach and the $2 area actually. And then after that, the natural of this stock was to trading between around $1.50 and $1.10. Uh, the stock is doing better since like October and start to get some good positive signs and bullish movement. And we can say it like it's doing great actually between October and the January of this year of 2018. So my call for this stock, if I want to make any call about this stock, my call for this stock is a strong buy for the next 30 days with $3 price target. So let us see that again. If we look at the chart within the last 3 months, we can easily see some very good uh, uptrend point, and it's for sure about the volume. The volume for the last 10 days was 351,000 shares as a average volume for the last 10 days. And actually, this stock need volume. Honestly, there is some stock they will not move if there's no big volume, big chunk of buy volume. So, but on the other hand, if we look at the news, if we look at what this company can make and what the products that the company is promising to do, I mean, if we look at their pipeline, they saying some good stuff. They saying about their goal to become a leader in developing and developing some products that at the intersection of drugs and devices. And that's really they are really doing good on the treatment of the cardiopulmonary disease. They having some indication on the phase 3 in the development stage. So they are doing good in some stuff. They are giving a very promising future for their investors. And this is all about the long-term invest. I'm talking right now about a strong buy call for 30 days. Why I'm not talking about a long-term invest right now? Because uh, if I want to talk about a long-term invest, that's mean I need to talk about all the whole picture. I need to talk about the fundamental, or I need to talk about the revenue for the company. I need to talk about the cash in hand and the cash equivalent. And this is a very I gonna choose other day for sure for some really strong and long-term investment stock, and that's gonna happen. I might do that tomorrow or at the end of this week for sure. So let us go back to our call today. It's the strong buy call for this stock, and let's move to tip ranks. What actually tip rank saying about this stock? First of all, I want to say that again. I'm uncertified chart analyzer, and I'm just a normal trader. I'm not giving any advice to buy or to sell or to hold any stock under any kind of insider trading or any type of violation stuff. I'm just doing that thing. Uh, I'm just sharing my opinion with you all guys. I'm looking to be in the future to be a certified chart analyzer, and I'm really looking to build my own idea about stock tradings, a free idea. Everyone can share. Everyone can email me. I like if you make me subscribe on the YouTube, and it's very good if we share what we know about stock trading. So tip ranks, they saying, let's go back to this stock. They saying there's currently there is nothing. There's none call on tip ranks about this stock. But if we go back 4 months ago, one of their expert saying put a buy call and a price target $5. So they put a price target $5, and usually tip ranks calling is for 12 months. So it's $5 for a long term. If we look at the other stuff, if we look at the corporate insider activity, they saying that there is a trend, and there is a good pot worth for last 3 months. About the hedge fund activity, the hedge fund is very big institutional, and you know whenever it's a positive or there is a buy rate from hedge fund, that's very good sign for the stock. For this stock, there is nothing, and right now there is no bad sign or no good sign from there. So that's just like to make look. I'm not doing any advertisement for tip ranks. I'm just like I like to look everywhere. I like to look at Zach, tip rank, and other brokerage, what they are saying, what they are actually doing there. But I always like to follow what I think it's the right thing. So for and under my own opinion, I think this stock is very good to buy right now. If you can get this stock between $2.05 and $2.10, gonna be very good area to buy, and it's really strong buy for the next 30 days. There is a very positive sign of a trend coming for this stock. and I'm expecting this stock to do good within the next 3 weeks. Thank you very much, everyone. I wish you a very good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.